Sauk Valley's Weather Authority. This is Sauk Valley Weather Today with meteorologist Andrew Stutzky.
Welcome to Friday as we wrap up another work week here. An active pattern coming into your Mother's Day weekend. We're going to start off with radar this morning. Some showers and thunderstorms mainly to the north of the area. We actually have a warm front situated very close to us. It's going to kind of hang out not only today but also through much of the upcoming weekend and even into next week, which is going to keep our pattern fairly active. Now today, the front is actually going to be far enough to our south where we're going to have a cool day, really looking for high temperatures only in the 60s compared to the 70s and 80s we've been enjoying. Those are going to be squashed down to the south. Now normally in this kind of a setup, we'd be concerned with some severe weather. However, a lot of the atmosphere in the more unstable part of this air mass is going to remain what we call capped. So a lid will be kept on convection and really not expecting much severe weather today, though we could see some thunderstorms develop this afternoon with some small hail. Other than that, just look for a cloudy, cool, and just dreary Friday compared to what we've been used to over the last several days. Now, because that front is going to be basically hanging out in the area through not only the weekend but also much of next week, the potential is there that we could see several inches of rainfall. In fact, the Weather Prediction Center predicting we could see upwards of 2+ inches of rain by the time we hit the middle of next week. And again, rain chances could extend even into late next week. So we're going to have to watch this pattern. Certainly looks like a wet pattern, and we could see some stronger clusters of thunderstorms too, but won't know those exact details till we get a little closer to those individual events. So again, a few showers and storms likely today. A stiff east breeze off of a cold Lake Michigan. That's going to keep our highs limited to the 60s. If you go even further north, 50s and 40s. Not going to be out of the question, but I think most of us will at least make it into that 60-degree territory for this afternoon. Again, a very active forecast for us. We do get cooler tomorrow, low 60s likely, showers and storms on and off throughout the day. Mother's Day, mainly a morning shower and storm chance. I think in the afternoon we'll dry things out and warm things up to 70 degrees. Next week does look like some warmth is going to move back in with summer-like temperatures in the 80s. A little bit of a drier day for Monday, though shower and storm chances will increase again for Tuesday, Wednesday. That's when some of those could get a little bit stronger and we could see some heavier rainfall. Notice those temperatures again pushing well into the 80s by Tuesday, and especially Monday and Tuesday, and even Wednesday of next week.